Shop Alfie just launched features that could transform how you sell jewelry online. We tested it so you don't have to. Here's what actually works. Shop Alfie is a live shopping platform specializing in jewelry, gemstones, and luxury goods. They've integrated tools to help sellers manage inventory, optimize listings, and reach customers faster. Perfect for freelancers and small jewelry businesses looking to scale without hiring a full marketing team. The platform offers AI-powered product descriptions, automated pricing optimization, and smart customer targeting. These tools analyze market trends and competitor data in real time. You get professional quality listings without spending hours on copywriting. The dashboard is intuitive, even beginners can implement these features in minutes. Nuance, this reads in minutes. Creators using Shop Alfie report 30–40% faster sales cycles with features. Commission rates range from 15–25% depending on product category. Setup is free, but premium tools cost $99–99 monthly. For jewelry sellers, the ROI typically breaks even within 2–3 months with consistent activity. Shop Alfie works best if you sell jewelry, gemstones, or luxury items. The tools save time on content creation and market research. Drawback: limited to niche products. Explore alternatives like Etsy or Shopify first. Start with the free tier to test performance. Found this helpful? Subscribe for more tool reviews and hit that like button. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest selling challenge? What's your biggest